Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Rami speaking. We are going to continue in this book, The Key to Arabic, Fast Track to Reading and Writing Arabic by Dr. Imran Hamza. And last time we spoke about the quick reference guide to reading skills. We talked about the short vowels and tanween, Kasra, Damma. Kasra has always a tanween, Damma has always a tanween, also tanween al-Damma we call it. And Fatha always has a tanween as tanween al-Fatha. Alright. We also talked about the joining up Arabic letters. We said that Arabic written from right to left across the page, and there is different shapes of the Arabic alphabet. So there's a lot of shapes. One of them are both shaped letters that has U-shaped tiles like here, and letters that have trailing tails like Jim, for example, Ha and Kha. Alright, there's also other letters excluded from the orphaned letters. As you remember, I said that these are the orphaned letters. I don't like this word, naughty, so I call them orphaned letters. Orphaned letters are Alif, Dal, Dhal, Ra, Za, Waw. There are 6 orphaned letters which cannot be extended to the left, as a result should not be connected to the letter in front of them. Alright, these are the 6 orphaned letters. After that, we spoke about the long vowels. They are so easy. These long vowels in Arabic are alif, ya, waw. We use them to elongate the sound of the short vowels. Like for example, with alif, it's going to be with fatha always. So ba fatha ba is going to be with alif. It's going to be ba. Jim fatha ja. Alif mad is going to be ja. And ra fatha ra with alif mad is going to be ra. And so on with ya and waw. We talked also about the sukun. The sukun, we said it's a small circle placed on an Arabic letter, indicate the absence of a vowel. Alright? And we talked also about the shadda as a symbol written above the letter to show that the letter has been doubled and therefore sounds stronger. Remember, shadda is making the sound of the letter stronger. So for example, rabba here, rabba. Without it, it's going to be raba, raba, like ra, ba, ba. With shad, that's going to be rabba. All right. So in today's lesson, we are going to talk about Hamza and Alif. Hamza, known as a glottal stop in Arabic, is an Arabic consonant that often accompanies tanween, sukun, or a short vowel. Hamza in itself often accompanied by the supporting letter or chair, we call it. These are we call chair. All right. So often it's accompanied by a supporting letter. We call it chair, which might take many forms, as you can see here and here, here. All right. Depending on rather complex rules that we don't need to explain here now and explore because it's going to be later on. The various ways in which Hamza might appear are shown below. All of these are the various ways of it. All right. For the purpose of reading, it is best to ignore the chair. The best thing is to ignore the chair of the Hamza, and like because the Hamza is sitting on this chair, this is why we're calling it as a chair. All right. So, and we will just read the vowel, and that will be we will focus on reading the vowel sound that the Hamza is supporting. For example, here is going to be what we see, Hamza with Kasra. We said Kasra is E, and Hamza is a glottal stop. So they are together going to be E, E. Alright, also here, the same thing. Hamza Kasra is going to be E. And here is Hamza Kasra also. We don't look to the chair. Leave the chair now. You don't need to go in like complex rules that will make it like complicated on you. Just leave the chair and look to the vowel, and there's Hamza, it's also E. Also here's E. All of this, we will say the sound of it is going to be U. So U, U, U. Even this wow, it's just a chair. Just leave it for now. Oo, 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 oo. All right. So here is going to be a, 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 and also a. Because this is a chair and we don't need to look at it. We just need to this part, this part. All right. Now the alif when it's not supported, the alif when it's not supporting a hamza, it is a weak letter that takes the sound of any vowel accompanying or coming with it. So sometimes alif is silent letter. All right. Now try to stop the video, pause it, and pronounce all of these and recap them from what we said. Here, when we look to the hamza, this is Alif, Hamza, and Tanween al-Kasr. Tanween al-Kasr, we said it's in. So this is going to be in. Here is going to be Hamza and the chair, and also Tanween al-Kasra, also in. This is a Hamza, comes in the end of the word, all right? And with Tanween, it's also going to be in, all right? Here, same thing. What is this? Let me zoom in. What is this? This is Tanween al-Dam, we call it. Tanween al-Dam is un. With the Hamza is going to be un. Alright, a glottal stop with the un sound. Alright, so all of this sounds the same. All of them sound the same. Un, 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 un. Alright, when we look to the Tanween al-Fath, Tanween al-Fath is an. This is an, and this is exactly the same as this. An also. But this is a chair. Alright? We don't look at it. And this is an alif. Comes with what? Comes to support the tanween. It has a complex rule. We don't need that rule now. We are focusing on reading and writing. Alright? So an. All of this is going to be an. All of this is going to be an. Alright? Just focus on the red part. An. And also here's an. Sukun is going to be hard to say. For example, I could write down a word with a sukun, dal with kasra, hamza. This is the chair of it, and there is a sukun of it on top of it, and we put ba and un. All right, how it's going to be read? We will read it. Be like, listen to this part. The bun. I just put this word so I will show you the sound of the hamza with the sukun with the absence of a vowel. All right? Sorry. So I didn't say the bun or the bin or the the ubun. I said the as in the exactly like that, and bun, the bun. All right? Don't worry, you will grasp it with the with more lessons to come. It's going to be so easy to grasp sukun, inshallah. We talked also about the long vowels. Long vowels comes, we have hamza, alif, and kasra. Kasra here comes after it. Ya. This is ya. All right. Ya sound the same as kasra, so this is going to be not e, but it's going to be e. We need to make it long a little bit. All right. So we differentiate from the short vowel, the kasra, to the long vowel of this combination by itself. This combination, you will see it in each letter of the Arabic alphabet. So don't worry if you didn't get it now. You will get it with the examples. All right. We continue. This is also E, because this ya is the the beginning form of the ya. We have the beginning form, middle form, we have the end form, All right. And here, if you look, it is connected with Kasra. So E, E. And here, Damma with Hamza is U, right? But there is Waw here. This Waw is the long vowel. This combination is the long vowel of oo, oo. All right, oo. You could pause the video and try to pronounce these three combinations. All right. Now we are going to talk. This is the delicate vowels. The delicate combination. We have first combination. Hamza Fatha is going to be a, right? Hamza and Fatha a. And Waw, this is Waw with Sukoon is going to be oo. With Sukoon is oo. So let's assume Waw with Fatha is Wa. Waw with Kasra is We. Waw with Dhamma is Wu. Wa, We, Wu. So I'm not saying, for example, Awa, right? I'm not saying Awu. This is Awu. And I'm not saying, for example, Awi, because the we underneath the waw. No, I'm saying absence of a vowel, the sukoon. So it's going to be aw, aw. You see? I didn't say awa, awi, awu. No, I didn't say that. I say aw, aw, because of the absence of a vowel. Now, the same thing here with the ya. This is ya, all right? Absence of a vowel. So if it was another fatha here, for example, it's going to be aya, aya, but it's not fatha here. Here is sukoon. This is the sukoon, right? So it's going to be ay, ay, all right? Here also, same thing. This is ya. So it's going to be ay, all right? Pause the video, try to repeat them. So one more time, I'm going to say them. E, E, oo, right? These are long vowels, long combination of the vowels. And here's going to be delicate vowels. Ow, ay, ay. All right? Right. That's for the alif and the hamza. Next time, inshallah, we will start with the letter ba. See you next time, and don't forget to practice. It is going to be an awesome journey for all of you. You will be able to read slowly in Arabic, and that will make like that you could like brag about it between your friends. Hey guys, I know how to read Arabic. That will be amazing, you know. All right, see you next time, and the lesson of ba. All right, inshallah. Don't forget to share and subscribe the video. I wish you a wonderful day. Cheers. Bye bye.